Today we are going to perform the practical on to determine active, reactive and apparent power consumed in given RL series circuit. Then now we will see what resource required to perform this practical. First is the auto transformer having the rating 0 to 260 volt. Then AC voltmeter having the rating 0 to 250 volt. Third, AC ammeter having the rating 0 to 1 ampere. Fourth, rheostat. In this practical, we are using a lamp as a resistive load having the rating 200 watt. Then choke coil having the rating 0 to 50 Henry. Okay, this is the actual circuit diagram of your practical. Here we have connect one auto transformer and given 230 volt single phase 50 Hz AC supply to this auto transformer. This auto transformer have two terminal, phase and neutral. The phase terminal is connected to common terminal of an voltmeter. Then common terminal of an voltmeter is connected to common terminal of an ammeter. Then range terminal of an ammeter is connected to first terminal of an resistive load. Then second terminal of an resistive load is connected to first terminal of an inductive load. Then second terminal of an inductive load is connected to range terminal of an voltmeter. And then range terminal of an voltmeter is connected to neutral terminal of an single phase auto transformer. Then this is the observation and calculation part of your practical. In this practical we have to measure V indicated by the voltmeter, that is the supply voltage. Then current indicated by ammeter. Then VR that is the voltage across resistive load. This can be measured with the help of multimeter. And VL, this is the voltage across choke coil. This can be also measured with the help of multimeter. From this value we can calculate active, reactive and apparent power. This power can be calculated by using this calculation part. Active power can be calculated by using formula VI cos phi, reactive power VI sin phi and apparent power VI. This is the actual procedure of your practical. First, select equipment, instrument and component as per the resource required table. Second, connect the circuit as shown in circuit diagram. Third, switch on the supply. Fourth, vary the voltage by using auto transformer in steps 100 volt, 150 volt, 200 volt. Then fifth, record the values of VI, VR and VL as shown in observation table. Okay. Then we will see the actual setup of your practical. Okay, first this is the single phase 230 volt AC supply is given to this single phase auto transformer having the rating 0 to 260 volt. This transformer have two terminal, phase and neutral. The phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to common terminal of an voltmeter. Then common terminal of this voltmeter is connected to common terminal of an ammeter. And then range terminal of an ammeter is connected to first terminal of an resistive load. Second terminal of an resistive load is connected to first terminal of an inductive load. Then second terminal of this inductive load is connected to range terminal of an voltmeter. Then range terminal of an voltmeter is connected to neutral terminal of an auto transformer. This connection is same as explained by in circuit diagram. Okay. Then now we will take the reading. First we will switch on the AC supply. Then as explained in procedure, we can vary the voltage as shown in procedure, that is 100 volt seen in voltmeter is the reading of V as shown in observation table. Okay. This is the reading of current as shown in observation table 0.37. Then we can measure the VR between these two terminals with the help of multimeter. Between two terminals. This is the shown in multimeter 60. Then we can measure the VL, voltage across inductive load, okay, shown in multimeter reading. Then we will take the reading as a same for the first reading. Thank you.